Well, I'll give you an update on what's happening this week. It's a bit damp. I'm going to go over to Edinburgh on Thursday and take some parts over for the Allegro, see if I can get a wee bit done on the Allegro. Weather's a bit damp. I'm going to walk into the centre. I can't be annoyed with the parking and all that, but it's quick just to run up the hill and get waterproof trousers anyway, and I'll get my steps up. My back's been sore, so I've got it all strapped up, and the walk might do me some good. I've got a 2-speed switch to put in the Mustang. It's a Lucas style from a Jag E-Type, and I'm going to wire that up and get that working at some point, maybe the weekend, and hopefully that's the end of it, because the wiper motor in the Mustang was just like stopping at strange times. So I was thinking it might be the switch that was overheating because it was worn out. So a new switch, new wires into the motor, see if it works, and mount that toggle switch instead of the twist switch. If I'm really lucky, it might even fit in a hole near where the switch is. It could be out the way, and I could run the wires through the bulkhead. Daimler, the radio console, steel, grind away the bottom of the frame and reattach that to cover the wires, drill a hole with the lead going through, and wire in the lithium ion battery pack, and then it can run off the lithium ion battery pack, sent away for a house alarm 12-volt battery, and I'm going to run it off that. If lithium ion battery can't work the CD player, I don't know how many plays I'll get out a CD with a lithium ion battery. If it does 2 CDs, all I need it to work for going through to Edinburgh and back. And if it doesn't, if it runs out of battery doing that, then I can put in the house alarm battery, and I reckon they're pretty good batteries and they just get taken out. I've got a wee 12-volt charger to put in here. MGB, I want to put battery hold down kit in it, and I want to cut up my mat for the back parcel shelf. I've got new rocker shaft, set of tappets, put a steel rocker cover on it, try and get down some of the noise. And the plan was to take the Morris to get an exhaust repair done on it. I've got a big bore exhaust to go on it. It's got like a kind of American style side exit just now, but it touches all the speed bumps. So I was thinking about having like a kind of pea shooter type exhaust, standard exhaust, but a bigger bore, and that might help the supercharger, because I honestly think it's causing lag, because it's just like try to fart in a drain pipe or something. Yesterday I managed to get petrol on my trousers, because the Morris was only wanting to put 2 gallon in it, and it just ran away. I got over enthusiastic. Used to driving in American cars that take 20 quid, it just falls in a hole, doesn't it? It's only a wee 6 gallon tank, so splashed myself with petrol. So luckily those jeans get other things wrong with them, so I'm just going to use them for work. The MGB, I want to cut the exhaust silencer off and put in a straight pipe, because it's over silenced just now. You can't even hear the exhaust, and for a sporty car it should have a nice tone. So that's kind of car wise. One of these days, if it's dry, I'll get out the rally chopper once my back's fixed. So I'm going again this week to get my back fixed. It's been better. I'm having to wear the weightlifting belt thing, stop it off and popping out again, but it's just old age. 58. So. Anyway, there's a wee update in the cars. I don't know how people talk for half an hour. I really don't. Petrol's went up again. I think it's 142 a litre. So glad I don't need to go to work. It's not part of my budget, so I'll just pour it in. It's still cheaper than a taxi. Very fortunate that I'll get shops nearby I can walk if necessary. Then just see what happens there. Probably in the next video we would be a wee bit more on the Daimler if I get the radio done, but it's kind of minging weather. I don't really want to be rolling about on my knees routing cables in the wet. So anyway, see you soon in my car video.